Hi! In front of me is LG Q70 and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this LG. You need to start by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Now type in DevCheck and install this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can read all the informations about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!